Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Bedroom wardrobe designs would be fairly simple if they were to serve only our clothes. But our wardrobe do more than that. As creatures of habit, over time we amass a slew of belongings we like to call our own. Some sentimental, some functional, and some though perennial hoardings. And most of these belongings contribute to our personal style. From clothes and accessories to heirlooms and pieces of investment, our belongings are also a part of our identity, and it is second nature to want to preserve and store them well. The first place we think of for safekeeping is, you guessed it, behind the doors of our wardrobe or closets, safely tucked away in our bedrooms. Incorporating proper storage in your bedroom is essential in order for you to store your clothes and personal belongings. One of the simplest way of doing so is by adding cupboard to your master room. If you have been looking for a stylish wardrobe layout for your house, then watch this video completely. In case you want to maximize the storage in your bedroom, then adding a floor to ceiling cupboard is the right way to go. You can store bulky items like suitcases and strollers on the top part of the cupboard and apparel in the lower half. One of the easiest way of making your bedroom cupboards look amazing is by adding contrasting colors door. Another great way to maximize storage in your bedroom is by creating a wall of cupboards. You can incorporate different size shelves so that it can hold on to every type of clothing that you might own. If you want to incorporate a beautiful looking cupboard and yet want to save some floor space, then opting for a sliding door is highly recommended. By adding a glass sliding door, you can make your wardrobe look even more amazing. For those of you who have a small room and are looking to incorporate a cupboard, then using elevated wardrobe layout is worth considering. This way you will be able to utilize the top half of the wall for storage and lower half to place your bed. If you have an antique cupboard in your house, then repainting it and using it in your bedroom can be the great way of adding a regal touch. You can also paint these cupboards in bright colors to make them stand out. If you want a wooden cupboard but are not looking to spend a lot of money on its creation, then using laminated sheets to cover your wardrobe is worth a shot. Laminations are available in different patterns which look exactly like wood. You can also use combo cupboards that can be great in case you are looking to save space in one half of the bedroom. The designers are using shifting doors near the bedside so that it does not occupy a lot of floor area, and regular doors on the other side. If you want to create a cupboard which is durable, then opting for wood as the construction material is advised. You can also use two different colors of wood to make the cupboard look designer. Investing in vintage cupboard can also be a great way to make your bedroom look fabulous. These cupboards can also act like a statement piece for your rooms. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern bedroom cupboard designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that is going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below, so do check them out. We are also available on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. You are most welcome to join these groups and channels. Some master bedroom wardrobe closets can be closed, but others are actually designed to stay open all the time. The open look can actually improve a room by making it look even larger. The fact that a closet stays open all the time can actually emphasize its good design and the fact that it looks so tidy. There's an overlap between the small closet design ideas and the large closet design ideas. When talking about wardrobe designs, however, larger closets give people much more room for creativity. People should truly take advantage of their size. Remember that a cupboard with a lighter tone helps make a room look bigger. Darker tones usually cannot refine elegance. If you have a small bedroom, then a mirrored wardrobe is an excellent option as it solves two purposes at once. One is of your storage requirements, whereas the other is of making the room look spacious. Built-in cupboards not only look beautiful but can also be customized easily. They can be made of various materials including wood and iron. In case you want a cupboard which is modern and lightweight, then fiberboard is the best option. Incorporating different types of storage units in one cupboard can also give you a fully functional piece of furniture. Shifting door cupboards can also be made with a glass screen to make them lightweight and modern. According to the space available in your room, you can opt for narrow cupboards which can be placed even in the corners. Cupboards can take your personal belonging from all over the place to all in one place. A wardrobe or almirah not only fulfill this basic need but also secures your treasures and keep curious eyes at bay. Contemporary homes have sleek, minimalist furnitures. Depending on the overall color tone of your bedroom, you can choose the finish of your cupboard. The room tone is influenced by many factors such as wall colors and finishes, curtain finish of the bed, and of any other furniture. So keep these all factors in mind while designing your bedroom wardrobe designs. So finally friends, if you want to make your bedroom look awesome, then your bedroom cupboard plays an important role. You need to give its importance to what it needs. And then you have to decide what you want in your bedroom and how you want your cupboard to look like. Before finalizing the bedroom cupboard layout, you need to plan what you want to store in your bedroom cupboard and how you want to make your bedroom cupboard look. If you don't know how much storage is sufficient for you, then how will you be able to design your wardrobe look amazing? Look at these designs which we have shown you in this video. You can rewind the video and watch each design carefully. Take inspiration from these designs and make your bedroom wardrobe amazing. So watch these each designs carefully and make your bedroom look amazing. So friends, hope you like this video on modern bedroom cupboard designs, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then you can watch the video that is suggested to you.